Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan, and in this video I'm going to be swatching and reviewing these liquid lipsticks from Flicka Cosmetics. This is their Set and Attack Matte Liquid Lipstick. That is such a unique name for a liquid lipstick. Anyways, this range of liquid lipstick has 24 different shades, starting from like very neutral shades to your bold, brighter shades. So you can pick and choose the one that you prefer. I have 8 shades from this range to swatch because I can't swatch all the 24 shades. My lips would die. The formulation of this is that long wearing. Anyways, I'll get to the formulation in just a bit, but this is how the packaging of this lipstick is. It's such a nice, sleek packaging, looks very luxe, and this is what the applicator of this lipstick is like. So it's not your usual doe foot applicator. It's sort of like a different shape, so it picks up the right amount of product, and also it's very easy to apply and as well as line your lips in that process if you're not someone who's used to using a lip liner on a daily basis like I am. I don't really use lip liner, so I find this to be very easy and convenient to apply. So now coming to the formulation of this liquid lipstick, it is sort of like not a very thick moussey formulation, but it's not extremely runny, like watery as well. So it's right in between that. So once you like nicely juice the product up, nicely mix up the product, and then you take it out, this one dip of it is pretty much enough to fully cover your lips. It's that pigmented. So one swipe color payoff for sure. Nice and pigmented, and pretty much covers up the entire lip. And most of the shades that I have tried out are super pigmented. They cover up the natural pigmentation of my lips. They are not patchy at all, and also some of the shades do take a little bit longer to dry down, but once they are set, they are set. It dries down to a comfortable matte finish, and from what I have tried out, I find these to be very long wearing. So now let's get to the swatch of these lipsticks. The first shade that we have is called 04 Matchless Maroon, which is more of a pink toned red shade. It has a little bit of terracotta earthy undertones to it. This would really look good on all skin tones out there. It's a very nice pigmented shade, and it doesn't look patchy at all. Now the next shade we have is called 06 Vintage Wine, which is right up my alley. You guys know how much I love these kind of like deep shades. This one has a little bit of like a purplish hint to it, so it's so much more wearable, so much more beautiful actually. Very pigmented, not at all patchy, and this would look really good on every single skin tone out there, especially for people with medium tan and deeper skin tones. This would look really nice if you have like a very subtle outfit like the one I'm wearing right now, or like a white outfit, off-white, gold, and if you have like very subtle makeup going on and you just wanted your lips to do the speaking, like a bolder lip color, you could definitely try this out. What I really like about this is, like I mentioned, that even though it's such a dark shade which with hints of purple to it, it's not at all patchy looking on the lips. The next shade we have is called Pro at Pout, which I initially thought was a pink shade, but it also has a little bit of red undertones to it. So if you wanted a pink shade with red undertone, you can definitely try this out. Again, very nice and brightening. I feel like it brightens your makeup look, your outfit, your face in general. So if you don't really have a lot of makeup on, it wouldn't look very dull when you have a shade like this on. Next shade we have is called Walnut Wonder, which I feel like would be a lot of people's favorite shade because it's a beautiful browny, pinkish, peachy nude shade for people of medium tan and deeper skin tones. Of course, if you are of much lighter skin tone, this would be more of a brighter, deeper shade. And I love this because you can wear this without makeup as well, and this wouldn't wash you out, and I can definitely see this one to be a fan favorite. Next shade we have is called Awesome Blossom, which is a beautiful warm pink shade, and this is a very wearable pink shade, but the natural pigmentation of your lips does peek through with this shade a teeny tiny bit, and this is how it looks like. The next shade we have is called Dark Night, which is a blackened, deep berry burgundy shade, and again, just look at the pigmentation of this. Just look at the color payoff, the way it's wearing. It's not at all patchy. It's so hard to formulate these kind of very dark, deep shades without it looking patchy, and they've nailed it with this particular shade. Again, this is not for faint-hearted people. It's for people who want to experiment with very deep shades. You can definitely try this out. The next shade we have is called First Love, which is a really nice pink shade with a lot of lilac hints to it, which again serves as a nude shade for people of my skin tone and deeper skin tones. Again, it's so nice. I feel like this is such a wearable shade on a day-to-day basis. If you're wearing it to work, if you have like a pink or purple eye look, I think this shade would pair really well with those kind of looks. The last shade that we have is called Brown Bakery, which is a really nice warm brown shade, and again a nice brown toned nude shade for my skin tones and deeper skin tones as well. I don't really like very pale nude shades on my skin tone. I like to wear these kind of shades because they don't wash me out. And again, if you are lighter skin tone, this is a beautiful warm brown shade, a little bit deeper looking on your skin. This would pair so well with any warm toned eye looks and brown eye looks and gold, foiled gold eyeshadow. I can just imagine it, and it will look so good and would pretty much go well with any outfit as well. So those are all the shades that I own from this particular liquid lipstick range, and I love each and every shade that I tried out. As you guys can see, I feel like some of them are so nice for my no makeup days. Some are so nice and brightening for days where, you know, I have a very simple makeup look. So you have a shade pretty much for any occasion as well. So I picked up the shades that I felt would suit my skin tone so much more, and some of the deeper shades that I tried out from this range are so nice and pigmented, and they're not at all patchy. Sometimes it's so hard to formulate these deep red shades, blackened berry shades, and they go on so beautifully. And I feel like irrespective of your skin tone, if you're like very light to deep skin tone, you are bound to find a shade for yourself, that's for sure. So coming to the wear test, I did wear this particular shade called Brown Bakery throughout the day, and I find this to be very nice and long lasting. It did take about a good minute to dry down completely on my lips, and after that it's set, and I was eating and I had pretty big heavy meals as well and something to drink, and it didn't transfer as much, it didn't fade away from my lips. And as you guys can see, it still looks nice and pigmented and even, and once you're taking it off, it does leave a beautiful stain on your lips as well. I feel like they have really nice nourishing ingredients in this, and they feel nice and lightweight on the lips without drying it out, without sucking the moisture from your lips. And I have pretty much dry lips, so it still stayed put pretty well. Additional tip, if you want to try out any liquid lipstick for that matter, exfoliate your lips and then apply a nourishing hydrating lip balm at least 10 to 15 minutes prior to applying a liquid lipstick like this. So when you're going to apply this liquid lipstick, take off that lip balm and then apply it. This would go on a lot more even, smoother, and stay in place, and wouldn't dry your lips out. So if you're looking for a good affordable liquid lipstick that performs high-end on your lips in terms of like the shades, and also feel really nice and high quality on your lips without drying your lips out and making it uncomfortable, and something that you can wear throughout the day, going about your day without worrying about it flaking and drying your lips out, you should definitely look into this particular range of liquid lipsticks from Flicka Cosmetics. I absolutely love it. So definitely do check them out. I will make sure to link it in the description box below, and also comment down below and let me know your favorite shade from this particular range of liquid lipsticks if you have tried out, or from the swatches that you watched today. Let me know in the comments down below, and while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one.